Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Apple ID on iPhone. If you want to change Apple ID on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first you have to sign out your previous Apple ID. Now to do that, you have to simply open your settings app here, then tap on your Apple ID and just tap on the sign out option to sign out. If you're facing the issue that your sign out is not available, so you must have to go back, go for the screen time settings and then scroll down. Look for the option of content and privacy restrictions. Disable all the restrictions from here and then go back. And here just tap on change screen time passcode. Then tap on turn off screen time passcode. Enter your screen time passcode here and your screen time passcode will be turned off. Go back, tap on your Apple ID here. This time you'll be able to sign out. Just tap on sign out option. Then tap on sign out but don't erase your iPhone. Then tap on continue option. And here tap on continue again. And here you must have to enter your Apple ID password to sign out your Apple ID. After entering your Apple ID password, tap on this confirm and sign out option and your Apple ID will be successfully signed out. Just wait for a moment here and you can see that Apple ID is logging out or signing out. Just wait for this until it's complete. So once you have done your Apple ID as successfully signed out, just tap on your Apple ID option here and then tap on sign in manually. And here you have to simply enter your Apple ID and your Apple ID will be successfully added or your Apple ID will be successfully changed. So in this way you can easily change your Apple ID on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.